How to create passive income streams from scratch. A step-by-step guide. Are you tired of trading your time for money? In this video, I'll guide you through the process of building passive income streams from scratch so you can achieve financial freedom and create wealth that grows even while you sleep. Whether you're starting with little to no capital or you're looking to diversify your income, this video provides a comprehensive roadmap to help you get started. We'll begin by understanding the fundamentals of passive income and why it's essential for financial independence. From digital products and real estate investments to stock market dividends and affiliate marketing, I'll introduce you to a variety of passive income avenues that cater to different skill sets, interests, and investment capacities. You'll learn not only how to identify the best options for your situation, but also how to create a strategic plan to implement them effectively. Next, I'll outline a step-by-step approach to building your first passive income stream. This includes assessing your current resources and skills, selecting the right type of income stream, and setting realistic goals. I'll also share practical tips on how to streamline your processes, automate where possible, and scale your income over time. Once you've established your first income stream, I'll show you how to reinvest and diversify your profits to build a robust portfolio of multiple income sources. This diversification is key to minimizing risk and maximizing returns, ensuring that your wealth continues to grow sustainably. How to create passive income streams from scratch. A step-by-step guide. Step 1. Understand what passive income really means. Before diving into the world of passive income, it's crucial to understand what it entails and, just as importantly, what it doesn't. Passive income is revenue earned with minimal active involvement, allowing you to make money even when you're not directly working. However, the passive nature doesn't imply zero effort. Most passive income streams require an upfront investment of time, money, or expertise, followed by ongoing management. It's about creating systems that work for you, ultimately freeing up your time to pursue more meaningful projects. Step 2. Identify your skills, resources, and interests. Your journey to building passive income should start with self-assessment. Ask yourself, what skills do I have? What resources are at my disposal? Am I willing to learn new things or invest capital? Your answers will guide you in choosing the right type of passive income that aligns with your strengths and interests. For instance, if you're skilled in graphic design or writing, you might consider creating digital products like books or online courses. If you have some capital to invest, real estate or dividend-paying stocks could be viable options. Step 3. Choose the right passive income stream. There's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to passive income. You need to select an option that suits your situation and future goals. Here are a few common passive income streams to consider: digital products, create ebooks, online courses, or printable templates that can be sold on platforms like Amazon or Etsy. These products require upfront effort but can generate sales over time without additional input. Real estate investments. If you have the capital, investing in rental properties can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. Alternatively, consider real estate investment trusts REITs if you prefer a hands-off approach. Stock market investments. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or index funds that generate periodic income. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission on sales. This can be particularly effective if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or strong social media presence. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on the repayments. Each stream has its own set of requirements, pros and cons, so choose one that aligns with your skill set, investment capacity, and risk tolerance. Step 4. Create a strategic plan and set realistic goals. Building passive income takes time, and having a clear plan will keep you on track. Break down your chosen strategy into actionable steps. For example, if you're writing an ebook, start by outlining chapters, creating a content calendar, and setting a deadline for each phase. Establish realistic goals, such as earning $100 in passive income per month in your first year and then scaling to higher amounts over time. Having a roadmap with defined milestones will not only help you stay focused, but will also provide a way to measure your progress. Step 5. Take action and build your first income stream. It's easy to get caught up in the planning stage, but execution is key. Start building your first income stream by putting your plan into motion. If you're creating a digital product, begin by drafting your content. If you're investing in the stock market, research and pick a few reliable dividend-paying stocks. Remember, the hardest part is often getting started. Focus on completing one task at a time and avoid overwhelming yourself with multiple projects initially. Once you've set up your first income stream, you'll gain confidence and momentum to pursue others. Step 6. Automate and optimize your processes. Automation is the cornerstone of passive income. Once your income stream is live, look for ways to streamline it. For digital products, use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable that handle sales and delivery automatically. For affiliate marketing, use automated email marketing tools like MailChimp to send promotions and content to your audience. For investments, consider using robo-advisors or dividend reinvestment plans (DRIPs) that automate your stock purchases and reinvest dividends. Automation minimizes manual involvement and allows you to focus on scaling your efforts or creating additional income streams. Step 7. Reinvest and diversify. Once your first stream is generating consistent revenue, the next step is reinvesting your earnings to create additional passive income sources. Diversification reduces risk and ensures that you're not overly reliant on a single stream. For example, if you've successfully launched an ebook, consider creating an online course on a related topic. If you're earning dividends from stocks, use those earnings to invest in real estate or start a new business. By diversifying, you build a resilient portfolio that can weather market changes, making your wealth creation efforts more sustainable in the long term. Step 8. Continually educate yourself and adjust your strategy. The world of passive income is ever-evolving. Stay up to date with the latest trends, tools, and strategies by reading books, attending workshops, or following industry leaders. Regularly evaluate your income streams to see what's working and what needs improvement. Don't be afraid to pivot or explore new opportunities as they arise. Step 9. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Regularly monitor the performance of your passive income streams. Use financial tracking tools like Mint or YNAB to assess your monthly cash flow. Celebrate milestones, whether it's your first $100 or your first $10,000, because each step forward is progress toward your financial freedom. By following these steps, you can build a solid foundation for passive income and work towards achieving financial independence. Remember, creating passive income is not an overnight journey. With consistency, strategic planning, and patience, you'll eventually see the fruits of your labor pay off as your passive income streams begin to flourish.